Are you tired of struggling with the CIS setup? Look no further because we've got you covered. In this video, we'll dive deeply into the CIS setup process and show you how to easily add contractors, import them, and add subcontractors. Plus, we'll even walk you through how to verify them and raise invoices. But that's not all. Did you know that CIS is also linked with bookkeeping and payroll modules? That's right. So if you're looking to create any monthly invoices for a particular subcontractor within CIS or bookkeeping, it will be listed at both places, and any CIS tax paid will also get listed under the CIS tax paid in payroll. So what are you waiting for? Join us in this video and learn how to make the most of your CIS setup today. Generating subcontractor payslips, certificates, and CIS 300 is effortless with Nomi's user-friendly platform. And if you're looking to offset CIS deductions against PAY due in payroll, Nomi's got your back. With Nomi, you can even submit CIS returns directly to HMRC without ever leaving the platform. Say goodbye to the hassle and headache of managing CIS for contractors. Nomi has you covered every step of the way. In today's video, we will uncover the key areas of CIS setup, that is importing the contractors and adding them manually. We will also import the subcontractors and add them manually and cover how a subcontractor can be verified with HMRC and then how we can raise the invoices. To begin with, you can link the CIS with the payroll record and the contractor will get listed under CIS without you actually importing the record or creating them manually. For this, you must navigate to the payroll settings of that contractor, enabling the CIS and mention the UTR. After this, the contractor will be listed under the contractor list without you creating the record. You can click on import contractor and it will take you to a screen where you can download a template CSV file, and in this file you can populate all the information related to contractors, and this will help you update all the records in a single go. If you're looking to add a contractor manually, then you can click on the label plus new contractor, and in this pop-up you will have to enter all the information. However, if you don't have all the information with you, then please try and enter the mandatory ones, that is name, HMRC office number, accounts office number, UTR number, nomisma start date, and then click on submit and the record will be created. Now we'll take example of Nomi Limited. So we are on the contractor dashboard. So this contractor dashboard gives you an overview of active subcontractors and the invoices generated. It also gives access to reports related to contractors and subcontractors, and you may file the CIS 300 monthly return as well through the CIS filing section. The CIS and bookkeeping modules are well integrated. Whenever you add a subcontractor, it will give you a message that you can link the record with an existing supplier in the bookkeeping. If it's a new subcontractor, Nomi will create it as a supplier registered for CIS under the bookkeeping. Now let's say there are many subcontractors, then you can just click on this import subcontractor and you can use the CSV file and import all the subcontractors within CIS. The instructions on how to import are also listed on the screen. In case you're looking to verify a subcontractor with HMRC or add them manually, then you can click on new subcontractor and a pop-up will appear where you can select the type of business and then you have to update the details. After this, you can click on verify subcontractor and verify them from HMRC, which will in turn get the details such as verification number, status, etc. And you can save the record which you've created manually. Once all the information is imported, you can raise invoices and submit the CIS 300 monthly return. I hope this video will help you in setting up the contractors and subcontractors and then raise the invoices and submit CIS 300 monthly return. Thank you.